हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको फ़ोल्डर क्रिएशन बताती हूँ कि कैसे करते हैं। दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द डेस्कटॉप। हाँ, हेयर यहाँ पर वी हैव टू क्लिक राइट क्लिक एंड देन यू कैन सी मेनी ऑप्शंस हेयर. You can simply click on new. Can you see new? You can create folder. There are shortcuts, bitmap images. You can create Word document, you can create PPT. So I will create a folder. This is the new folder has created. So by default it is selected by default. So if for example this is a new folder, okay, now this folder, if you double click, this is empty. So you can first of all rename it. First of all select this new folder and then click on right click and then you can rename it whatever you wish to. For example, you can write down main folder. So you can write down MAIN, main folder. Okay, now you have renamed it. Now press on enter. Now this folder with the name main folder is created. Now you wish that your some documents should be in this main folder. Then what you have to do, you have to click, for example this is the Excel file you wish to move in the main folder. What you have to do, simple select the file and click on right click and then cut, and then here select the folder, double click here and here right click and then paste it. This is the way you can put any of the documents in any of the folders. Okay, so and in this folder also you can create subfolders also. For subfolders the steps would remain the same. Here again you can click right click, you can create on new. Again you can create a folder with the name subfolder 1, and then again if I want to create another subfolder, you can create, click on the right button, click on new, and then here you can see folder option. You can click on the folder and you can rename it. How to rename this folder? Select the folder, don't double click, single click and then click on the right click and then rename it. You can write down SUB subfolder 2. This is the way you can do. Okay, thank you. Hare Krishna.